presentation from JIT. Do we really want to talk about corrugated? There is a lot of similarity between corrugating industry and the packaging industry, printing industry. The biggest thing, of course, is the raw material. We all use the fiber to do that. But then there are a lot of dissimilarities. There are a lot of differences. And I'm happy that BMPA has chosen this subject in this conference, this seminar. And my sincere thanks to the organizers for inviting me to share some thoughts. Corrugating industry is very large. To give some dimensions about the industry, we'll talk about three things to enable change and thrive. Is it okay to hear back? Yeah, okay. In the short time that I have, we'll cover 3 points: technology upgradation, Codex, and the R&D center that we have established, and why. Some dimension of the industry. We know corrugating is different than printing. 4.5 million tons of paper used every year. Approximately 15,000 crores is the turnover. 10 million employment, direct and indirect, and more than 10,000 units producing this product in India. Now, we all have been going through ups and downs, economic ups and downs, and the question that was asked to me to prepare was, how do we cope? How does the corrugating industry cope with these changes? And how do we thrive? How do we keep with the changes? There are some distinct trends. There are many. But process automation is probably the biggest trend in the last 5 years. We are graduating from a slower, semi-automatic type of a technology to faster, automatic type of process. Then there is down gauging and better aesthetics. So I'll go through that, each one. Some examples. The newer machines to make corrugated boxes are large. The automatic plant can be 150 feet long, so 250 feet long, as compared to maybe 15, 20 feet long single facers we used earlier. So the industry is embracing new technology, absorbing new technology, with machines imported from China, Taiwan, Europe, other places. There is a constant pressure on price and cost, as you also have, I'm sure. So how do we cope with that? We are experimenting with down gauging wherever possible. Reduce the GSM, reduce number of plies, do with thinner gauge, thinner, less fiber. That is the direction the industry is moving. And this is known to you better than us: better printing, better aesthetics. How do you get high definition printing on brown paper or white paper on a corrugated box? As you know, when you print on a corrugated board, you're not working with a flat surface, you're working with a slightly wavy surface, and that is a challenge. But the industry is up to the challenge. These are some of the examples of what we call better printing on corrugated box. There are some new opportunities for us: fruit and vegetable market, and much talked about retail. These are the bright spots on the horizon. We are the largest or second largest producer of fruits in India, in the world, and not much of the fresh fruit is packed in corrugated boxes. If you think of mango, if you think of grapes, if you think of apples, you probably see corrugated box, but not much beyond that. Maybe strawberry, maybe lychees, but then there are so many products. Banana, no. So therefore, fruits and most of the vegetables are not yet packed in corrugated boxes. These are photographs from abroad. And then retail. Now that there are bigger stores, Walmarts and many others, there is space to showcase your product. Earlier, it was not there. You go to the corner Karyana shop, he didn't have the space. Now there is space. So corrugated boxes are used now to display the product, market the product, sell the product. Some of the examples of how this can be done. And then dispensers. quick pick up something with the branding, with the image marketing. With all this, the volumes are going up. The industry is growing about 10% plus or minus a year, little faster than the GNP growth. But with the growth, we have pressure on margin, pressure on price. I'm sure you also do the same thing. So what happens to the price? How do you cope with that? That was one of the questions asked. How do you cope with the change and thrive? One of the things we have done in Western India, Corrugated Box Association, WICMA in short we call it, we have developed an index called Codex. I'll just give you a brief about the index and then we'll talk about the benefits. What is an index? Index is something that serves to guide or point out or otherwise facilitate reference. Jit mentioned time and again one place. What is that one thing? What is that one critical number? For price discussion, for cost understanding, you need one number. What is that one number is what we are trying to search for. There are many indices that we are familiar with: inflation, economic growth, commodity prices, and so forth, so on. Coming to our industry, can there be a one number? That was a question we asked ourselves. We learned from Sensex, there are so many different company shares traded in the market. How do you encapsulate all the activity in the market and come up with one number? That is a guide for us, guide for perhaps your industry as well. And we learned that it can be done. There is diversity, but there is also commonality. And we took cues from Sensex, and we thought we will be able to do something like that. And we have. For example, this is the breakup of Sensex. You have 30 different shares that make up the index, and there is a weightage given to each index, each company. So if that can work, why can it not work for us is the question we asked ourselves. In corrugated, also there is a lot of diversity. We have different paper mills. We have different gauges, different grammages of paper, different bursting strength of paper, different decals, different distance from the paper mill to your plant, different freight costs, different excise structure, different fuels, different adhesives, different inks, different weight structure, so forth, so on. Everyone is different. But we can talk about differences, or we can talk about finding a common base, common platform to work with. The first step is to prepare a list of major items which contribute to the cost of a corrugated box, or any item for that matter. You must list what are those components that make up. In case of Sensex, there are 30 companies that make up Sensex. So what are those 30 or 20 or 10 or 20 items that make up the cost of a product? In our case, corrugated box. In your case, could be a commercial printing or labels, packaging material. Second step is assign a weightage to each one. We saw earlier that in Sensex, Reliance Industry has so much weightage, or ITC has so much weightage. Similarly, assign a weightage to each component that make up the cost. Third step is to assign a definite unit so that we can all work on the same language. If you talk about cost of board, are you talking about X mill? Are you talking about landed? Are you talking about with excise but no sale tax? Are you talking about excise and sale tax? Whatever. We must define the measurement unit for each of them so we can all talk the same language. Then fourth step is to identify the source from which such data can be obtained. The data doesn't come from our industry, doesn't come from our members, it comes from the input providers. Whoever provides the input to our industry gives the data. Fifth step is to evolve a counter-checking mechanism to make sure everything is going properly. And the last step is to engage a reputable company to do this work. This chart can be circulated. It covers what I just talked about. This is the entire process of developing codex, and this can be shared. I'll give it to the organizer. Maybe a copy can be shared to you. This codex was developed in starting with January 2010. We are in the 4th year now, and every quarter we get a number like a Sensex. Sensex today is 21,000 something. Codex today is something like 137, 140 something. Base period January 2010 was 100, and we measure the impact of each of those components: fuel, transport, electricity, interest cost, paper cost, all those, and come up with the index. This work was given to a reputed company, CRISIL. It's independent, unbiased. We don't get the data, we only get the index. We don't influence, we don't even know what the breakup numbers are. Input providers give this. We feel it's working well. Like Jit mentioned earlier, there is always resistance to change. People don't want to accept it, but it takes time. Repetition, he also mentioned repetition. That repetition is now beginning to work for us. This is the 4th year. Now there are people saying that, why the number has not yet come? Can you call up WICMA and say, get that number? We're getting those kind of calls now. So having done that, on the price front, we want to look at the quality front. Technology, we've embraced some new technology. We've looked at a mechanism to get a price increase. Not that we always get it, but there's an independent tool available for us to talk to the customer with, saying that it's not just me saying or Sanjay saying or somebody saying, it's CRISIL independent agency saying. So there's a tool, there's a value. Having done that, we also want to look at the quality front. We work with non-standard materials. There are so many paper mills in India. One standard we have is bursting strength, but there are other parameters which are important. Porosity, for example, cork value, ring crush value. There are many other things that are important, but we work in a non-standard, Jugaad, Jit said Jugaad, we work in a non-standard environment. Non-standard quality evaluations on part of customers also. Most of the strength tests are done by international recognized procedures for testing, which say that it must be conditioned in certain temperature and humidity environment. But customers don't do that. In my factory, it should work. Well, if your factory is in a different humidity environment and his is a different, there's going to be a change. But we work with non-standard quality evaluations. We deal with non-standard test procedures, non-standard conditions. So how do we cope with that? How do we get our message to the customer that we make a good product? We need to look at it in a proper standardized method. So WICMA, which is a short form of Western India Corrugated Box Manufacturers Association, set up a state-of-the-art laboratory at Andheri. We invite you all to come, visit, have a look at it. We have all the equipment required to understand how the box performs, how the raw material performs, how the finished product performs. Some write-up on that. There are many activities that we do in the R&D center, and I'm having difficulty reading that. We have testing service. We take up projects. One of the projects currently we're handling now is to evaluate whether glue joint is better or a stitch joint is better, and what is the comparison of strength or other properties. In the past, we have done study on the impact of change of humidity on the strength of paper boxes. As the humidity goes up, what is the impact? As the temperature goes up, what is the impact? These kind of projects we do. We run many seminars like this, educational programs like this. We also have a certificate program, 1-week program, where we cover the entire aspect of corrugated packaging. And there's an examination, there's a test, and only if one passes, you get a certificate. Not attendance certificate, but qualification certificate. We provide a laboratory audit service to our members, meaning if you in your plant have a laboratory like WICMA, we visit your laboratory, and like a finance audit, accounting audit, we do laboratory audit. And we point out the differences, if there are any, in calibration, in testing procedures, in sample collections, reporting, so forth, so on. We have Meet the Supplier program where we invite people, we have new products to come and showcase what they do. This facility is available at our auditorium in Andheri. And lastly, we have technical publications. Whenever we do a project, we bring it to a book form and send it to all our members. And these are the things that we do to cope up with the change. This has been recognized by the Government of India, recognized by Asian Corrugated Case Association Singapore and TAPI in USA. So to enable change and thrive, corrugating industry through WICMA, we have embraced the new technology, new machinery. We developed Codex and set up state-of-the-art R&D center. There are many other challenges which are not discussed here. The time is short. But as we have challenges, as we find difficulties, it reminds me of a famous Hindi song, दुनिया में अगर आए हैं तो जीना ही पड़ेगा. We do our bit and we are growing. Thank you.